Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to blur text in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after doing so guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with adding our videos that we want to edit. So you can go ahead and either drag and drop your videos directly from your folders into right here, or just go to the file option and go into import and start adding the media you want to use. After adding your videos, they're going to appear right here, and we can get started with dragging them into the timeline right here, as I have already done, and editing our videos. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with blurring our text. So guys, as you can see, here are our videos, and let's say we have added some text to our videos using the edit option, and now we have text that we want to blur. This is what we can do and how easy it is to do it. So basically what you want to do is go into the edit option right here in the bottom corner, so click to edit, and now after clicking edit guys, this is going to open up this new edit menu right here with all the effects you can use. And guys, what you want to do is click the effects option right here in the upper left corner if you haven't already, which is going to open up the effects menu right here with all the options you can use. And we have the search bar, so you want to use the search bar and search for blur. So as you can see, after searching for blur, it's going to give us a list of all the options and all the effects that we have for blur, and you can get started with using them. So as you can see, we have the directional blur, we have the Gaussian blur, or just a regular box blur. So you can add the blur right here to your video into the timeline where you want to blur your text, and select the block of blur above your text, and this is how you'll be able to blur your text. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.